So for the past few months, you've been using your Xbox or your PS4 to record all your gameplay, using your headset to record your chat, and you don't even have a webcam. With the holidays coming up, you're thinking that you want to upgrade your setup for your YouTube, but you don't want to break the bank or break your parents' bank or whoever you're gonna ask, right? Well, you need to have a budget in mind, and I think I got something for you. For under 300 bucks, you can upgrade the quality of your YouTube videos drastically. What's up, guys? My name is Kyle. Welcome back to Too Much Tech, and today we're gonna be letting you know how to upgrade your YouTube gaming channel for under $300 and getting you guys started making some real content. Before this video starts, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. We got a lot of product reviews, a lot of nice keyboard, new controllers, stuff like that. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, so now we're on your computer. We're gonna need something to capture your gameplay, your webcam, and your audio from your mic, right? Those are gonna be the three most important things when you're doing gaming videos, especially like live commentaries and things like that, right? So the best thing that's gonna group all of those together is going to be Elgato. Elgato's game capture software is what you're gonna use to capture all of those things. Now, let's take care of the mic situation first, right? Because you want your viewers to be able to hear you, right? And not sound distorted or horrible out of like a headset microphone. So what we're gonna use this $30 microphone. Putting this up on the screen right here. This one is actually from Fi-Fine. The company that actually sent me the mic for free to review. So I've been checking it out over the past couple of weeks, and I actually think it's a pretty solid microphone. This is actually the microphone that I'm using to record this right now. It was only 30 bucks. I mean, you know, $27.99. So not too bad. I think it's very comparable to something like a Blue Snowball, but with a little bit of a different use case, because a Blue Snowball will pick up a lot of background noise. This has an adjuster right on the stand so that you don't pick up a lot of background noise, which is really important when you're playing gaming videos and you got other people in the house and you still want to record or live stream or do whatever. This is good if you're going to be playing a lot of console games, you got a controller. Not so great if you got a really loud clicky keyboard like so, because you're going to be able to hear a lot of. The next thing, your gameplay. So to capture your gameplay, I highly recommend that you get an Elgato HD60 or higher. So you can get an HD60, HD60S, or an HD60 Pro. The one that I really recommend is going to be the most modern Elgato, going to be the HD60S. It's 160 bucks, and this is what's going to really get you started when you're gaming from a console. Reason why I say the HD60S instead of maybe the Pro or anything else, because you can use a USB and plug this in. Therefore, you'll be able to use it with a laptop or a desktop if you upgrade in the future. Now, eventually you might want to upgrade to the HD60 Pro or the 4K 60 Pro. For those to work, you're going to have a desktop computer, because it's not compatible with the laptop, obviously, because it uses the PCIe slot on your motherboard. Whereas the HD60S just uses USB 3.0 and you're good to go. And next, what you're going to use is something to capture your face. You want to make your content more personal. You want people to know who you are. Use a webcam, obviously. The best webcam that I think for the money is probably going to be either the Logitech C920 or the Logitech C922. The C920 is really going to help you keep under your budget. HD 1080p 30 frames a second. The C922 does 720p 60 or 1080p 30. So if you want 60 FPS, you can go for the C922, but I will say that there is a noticeable quality degradation when you drop down to 720p. If you want to be crisp, use the 1080p setting. That way when you shrink it down your video, you're going to look nice and clear in your little box over there in your webcam. Now, you've got all those things. You're going to need somewhere to store that. So what you need is going to be an external hard drive, and you can find like halfway decent external hard drives for around like 65-ish bucks. You can, you know, get one that's going to be about 50 bucks. It might be a 1 terabyte, 55 bucks. But if you spend an extra $10 to $20, you're going to have a nice 2 terabyte external hard drive, and that's going to be plenty of storage for all of your saved gameplay. So now you just got your Elgato from Amazon and you're setting it up. You install the software. Now you're wondering, what the heck is this? Now what do I do? Okay. Obviously, this is the button to record, but Elgato has this really neat feature. Let's just say that you're playing and you find a gameplay that you like. You're going to record an intro and an outro later on after you get your gameplay, right? You can use this handy little feature to go back in time and use previous gameplay that you didn't record while you were playing it. So that's a really, really nice feature that Elgato has. I use it quite a bit when I used to record a lot of gameplay from my console. So it's super duper nice. It's like NVIDIA Shadow Play on PC, but just the console version, and you can actually see the preview of your gameplay before you record it. But make sure that your audio is going to work in your Elgato software. You're going to want to make sure your volume is turned up, and you want to hit this commentary button, and then it's going to start to pick up your microphone. And personally, I don't like it when it automatically reduces my game sound. This is usually on by default, so I turn that option off. Then your game audio is going to come from your source, so whether it be your PlayStation, your PS4, Nintendo Switch. And then to add your webcam to your Elgato software so that it captures that as well, you're going to want to click this little button right here and click on webcam. It's going to pick your webcam. That was weird. What is this weird aspect ratio? And then you're going to want to adjust it to where you want it to be on the screen, and then you're going to want to hit save. So after you hit save, it's going to adjust your webcam and place it wherever you want to place it. That's interesting. Crop that in, move it over here, and we're done. Just like that. Really, really easy. What I personally like to do, I like to go into the settings, go to the sharing, and make sure that it's sharing right here in file MP4 or Pro resolution. It's like a Pro format, so it's like probably the largest out of them, but it'll go ahead and save your video as an MP4, so you don't have to worry about converting it. You'll just be able to put it into your editing software and edit the video. You have a strong enough computer, you can have your files export to separate files. So you can have your gameplay export to one, your webcam export to another, and your live commentary to another. But if you want it to be extremely simple, you can have it mix all of your files. Mix your webcam, your overlay, your live commentary. Export to separate files. I usually have my webcam and my audio separate in case I want to edit my audio and in case I want to enlarge my webcam at any point in the video. And then after that, you're gonna want to go to your game capture settings right here, and this is going to give you the settings for your capture quality. So you're going to have your input device, which doesn't really matter that much, your audio input, so you can use either HD or analog audio if you have an HD60S or HD60. Your color range, I always use expanded. Standard looks kind of dull. Your profile, this is where you can change your settings so you can have it come in HD 720 or 1080, and to allow either 60 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Your quality, this is going to change the quality that your video exports in. So obviously it's best, it's going to look a lot better, and your bitrate is going to be a lot higher, and it's going to take more storage to store your video files. So if you drop it down to good, I would highly suggest you do that if your computer is not extremely fast, because everything is going to get done rendering a lot quicker for you to edit it. And that's about it. It's pretty simple to use the Elgato software. It's very straightforward. There's a lot of guides on YouTube, so if you need any help, go on YouTube, type in your question. I'm pretty sure somebody has an answer for you. But that's going to be it as far as the video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for coming through. I hope that this helped you out and help narrow down some of your choices for upgrading your YouTube setup. YouTube can definitely be an expensive place, but if you set a budget and you do a little bit of research, you'll be able to find exactly what you need and hopefully stay under your budget. So I hope that this video helped you out with that. I may even do another episode as far as doing something similar with just a PC. So if you're gaming on PC, you're not gaming on console, you want to know how to start a YouTube channel, I'm heavily considering doing something very similar for our PC guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Definitely know you won't want to miss any of this new content we've got coming out. Like I said, ton of product reviews, ton of mice, ton of keyboards. It's the holidays, everything's on sale, so you don't want to miss anything. Again, thank you for coming through, and I will catch you in the next one.
To Onyx too.
I can't.
I like it.
You keep dying. Oh man.
Lands on the scar. I can't no more, man. I can't. Body. Body.
Y'all good?
Body.
Straight.
Body. What, man? How many shots does it take?
It's here. 27.
Oh, everybody's still alive, man. Yeah. Crazy to get home like that.
Oh. No! Wait, Mom, there's one above you. Oh, shit. Dang, you say yeet.
I'm coming, Dad.
Oh, never mind. I thought that was all.
How am I alive?
You got bandages?
Nope.
Fuck, I fucked up.
Oh, I hate that so much.
Alrighty. Go. There's a mini there too.
Thank you.
Alright. Anything cool over there?
No.
Almost there.
Stay alive, brother.
Oh.
Where is it?
Oh no, I'm gonna go down. No.
Nice.
Yeah. Saving lives to save my life.
Coming from above, man.